I must have partied a little too hard last night. I wonder where Fetty is.
Hopefully anyone who listens to this can find this information useful. Bendy can't sense you if you blindfold his cutouts. It's 100% foolproof. I'll be gone after I record this. If you find a fat Boris, take care of him, yeah?
Gee, the ink demon must have messed up your face pretty good. Wait, that's how you always look like? Oh.
There's Fetty. I'd rather not wake him. He's gonna have a really bad hangover when he wakes up. I can't believe this is my last painting. Time sure flies.
I want to leave this message for a Boris named Fetty. If anyone else were to stumble upon this, I'm terribly sorry. It's a shame, really. I thought we were going to be the best of pals, Fetty, but you had to try to run away from a deal you've made. How sad. Very well. I know your secret. You blindfold the cutouts. How smart. You're a smart boy, Fetty. You've always been. What were to happen if I took the blindfolds off? Because I did. You should probably find a way out before Bendy comes. It was nice knowing you, Fetty. Not really. I just wish we could have ended off on a better note. Farewell.
Hey, Joey, buddy. I'm gonna be using up my 2 weeks paid vacation for my goldfish's funeral. Before I go, I want to give y'all a heads up that the flooring in the recording area is absolutely falling apart. Fix it, some of you get pretty knocked up.